In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the 1/2 or 1/2 symbol in Microsoft Word using 3 easy ways. If you need to insert the 1/2 symbol into a Microsoft Word document, there are several simple methods you can use. This can be useful when working with measurements, recipes, mathematical values, instructions, or any document where you need to display 1/2 clearly. The first method is to use the symbol option in Microsoft Word. Place your cursor where you want the 1/2 symbol to appear. Then go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Symbols section and click on Symbol. From the menu, select More Symbols. A symbol dialog box will appear with many different characters. Look through the available symbols and locate the 1/2 symbol, which appears as 1/2. Once you find it, select the symbol and click Insert. Microsoft Word will place the 1/2 symbol exactly where your cursor is positioned. The second method is to use the keyboard shortcut. Place your cursor where you want the symbol to appear. Then type 00BD. After typing the code, press Alt and X together on your keyboard. Microsoft Word will convert the 00BD code into the 1/2 symbol. This method can be especially convenient when you already know the character code and want to insert the symbol quickly. The third method is to use autocorrect by typing the fraction directly. Start by typing 1/2 in your document. In Microsoft Word, this can automatically change into the 1/2 symbol depending on your autocorrect and formatting settings. If the fraction does not automatically change, you can still use the symbol method or the keyboard shortcut to insert the correct character. When using the 1/2 symbol, remember that 1/2 is a single character. This means it can appear as one compact symbol rather than having a separate 1, slash, and 2. You can also adjust the appearance of the symbol by selecting it and changing the font or font size from the Home tab. This can help make the symbol match the surrounding text. These 3 methods give you different ways to insert the same 1/2 symbol in Microsoft Word. You can choose the method that is most convenient for the type of document you're creating. And that's how you can insert the 1/2 or 1/2 symbol in Microsoft Word using 3 easy methods. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,